Okay, I got 4 of these, and I used one already. It's installed. So ladies, you can do it. Now, there's not a lot I want to do myself. This is definitely one of them that I can and will and want to do myself. If it's a USB outlet already installed, hear me out. Just pop this off. I read the instructions already. I'm getting really good at my Chinese. This whole thing's in English, so. Okay, well, anyway, that's even better for you, right? So you can break this off. Now, I don't want to. I don't need to break a thumb. All right. But check it out. It comes with this big long screw, and it'll do 2 of these and 1 of these. This is a USB. This is a USB. I don't know. I could be wrong. I don't know. Then it's got these lights. This light that goes all the way around here, and then this is motion censored or something. So, turning the camera around. Okay. So the outlet was down under these cabinets, like on the wall below these cabinets, and I put these cabinets in. So I needed that outlet brought up here. And so I did have that done. And then that was months ago. But check this out. This and this, I constantly had to unplug if I wanted to use my blender or crock pot or rice maker, or if I wanted to charge my phone, right? So now I don't have to anymore, and guess what? I'm so excited. All right. So, because of this light's on, this doesn't want to go on. Let's see. There, see? But yeah, how cool. How cool is that? That's cool. You can go buy it right now in the link below, and you won't regret it. I promise you. This is a really good thing. Oh, it's USB-C, so it is a C. There's USB and USB-C. I see it's labeled. So look at the screw, so you know what kind of screwdriver you're going to need. Okay, and I did it. You don't take any. You know what you do? Hold on. You do take off the plate. I took the plate and the screw off, and I used the screwdriver. And this one flips around. Now, I got 4 in the package, and I couldn't be happier. I could be happier. I could have more $1 million. But I got 4. So now all I have to do is figure out, okay, where do I want these? And they're like Buicks. You want to give them away, but you can't because, there's that. But what I think I could do is, I've got that, how many are in here? A lot. Let me turn the light on. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things plugged in here. And then this thing's plugged in way over here. So what would this do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'd be getting rid of what? Anyway, either way, I think one should go here. Well, yeah, because then I wouldn't need the plug-in. Because the USB, because one of these plugs is this. So that would get rid of one of them. Yeah. So you know what's in my future? I'm kind of tempted to put one there because I'd have to break that thing off. But I don't know. For sure, for sure I'm going to put one in here because these, okay. And for sure I'm going to put one here for sure. Yeah. For sure I'm going to put one in the bedroom, and in that bedroom, and by the living room, and not in the bathroom.